Right, so I'm going to show you how to install the Google keyboard on your Xiaomi 17 Pro. Now, if you don't like the default keyboard, because might be one of those Chinese keyboards, then you can actually go ahead and install the Google keyboard. Now, simply go to the Google Play Store. And if you don't know how to set up the Google Play Store, I'm going to leave a video linked in the description. So anyway, go to the Google Play Store and just search for Gboard. Tap on it like that to open it, and then you can tap on install and get it installed on your Xiaomi 17 Pro or even Pro Max. Once it's done, you can now tap on open. You can go and enable the settings under language and input. You can go to current keyboard, tap on that, and then you should be able to choose your keyboard. So let's go to manage keyboards, and then let's enable Gboard. And then you can now go back and then set the current keyboard as Gboard. And that's how to make it your default keyboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.